Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So happy Friday guys. I hope you guys are having... Why you pop it?
Babe, I know me pop it, you just jump off. Come continue.
Me even remember what my dad say.
You here to you, Ian Jar Babaram. I love you. And I want you to know you're the best thing that happened to me. So to this, using this rose, I promise to using this rose. Don't cut out what me I say. Use to this rose. To you, I show my love and gratitude and loyalty. I hope you accept this gift. Here you go. I love you.
Thank you.
If you ever turn your jaw, give me for kiss, babe. I love you.
Thank you. Guys, so Jason bought me a rose.
Yo, my Gary Pies live, you know, to show you.
Jason bought me this rose this morning, right? And I really appreciate it because, you know, something you have to just show your lady. Even girls, females, we can show women, so we appreciate them as well. But I don't know, for some strange reason, man find it very hard to be romantic and do stuff like this. Them think it too mushy.
If this rose that I give to you was to ever die, the love deteriorates
Somebody,
with it.
please tell Jason so that rose here, it's a go dry up.
Woman, you see anything where woman love, woman take care of. If the rose they dead that you want, if it dead.
Babe,
no, I don't want you
eventually you go dead because you can't catch it. I go put it
put
in the water.
Nothing else not gonna do it.
Alright, I put it in the water and show you.
Oh,
Oh, we have to pay for park right here, so.
basically, man, I call it is it.
This is a hostler, you know? But yeah, smells good. But yeah, guys, we're up on the road from morning. You know, early bird catch the most worm.
Nice. I want to ask you something. Yeah, well, I did hear to edit, but more to prove it. Don't cut me out of the vlog. This is necessary. Alright.
What if I come with no guys?
Well, I know.
Hey guys, so we finally finished my hair probably 30 minutes ago, but I wanted to see Jason's reaction to my hair. But I'm not not this Andrew, and the same thing I did the last time, but no.
Well, I know. I know the funny thing. And you see it, you know, I almost have a vlog, you know. But hold on.
So much as well.
Oh, you cut it out.
What?
Me hear you for your vlog, I say, oh, me not eat from morning. It be the year today, editing, you know, me hear you record the side of me, not say, no, eat it, can't listen to the
I
part.
said that when I was on the road.
Oh, no, well, I know,
But
well,
we
I know.
never eat from morning.
No, I left the part of the vlog. You see how you did there, say, oh man, a romantic. But you see when man I try. You see when man I try. No. You see when man I try. Yeah, let me tell you something, ladies. It's when a man I listen. You know, well, I know, I want them take a time to calm down and listen to me, I say. Because I don't want to fly over nobody's head. I don't want nobody feel vexed. I don't want nobody take offense. Because with this day and age, anybody at all will talk truth, it is offensive. You see me? But hear me, I say. For example, days like Mother's Day celebrated right across the world. And days like Father's Day, people shun it. You see me, I say? There can be a thing as every man is a bad man. Man, if every man did bad, no woman wouldn't do it with man. You see me? Good man out there. You see me? You say me no romantic or me not that romantic.
No, wait, babe.
Hold on. Yes, a Jamaican man in general too romantic. I understand.
Yeah.
You see me? And as me I say, people, I know every, just like how we have woman where we say bad, I know every woman bad.
Yeah, true.
You see me I say, I know every man bad. You see me? I always see that quote here, and even though people understand, say people like me and you write quotes, so a person can write a quote and them feelings, so it must mean say a lot. But anyway, I not try to talk no truth. I don't want nobody hate me. Listen me I say. Always appreciate a trying man. You see, worst like I want to say man nowadays no good. You see man when I try a little thing, appreciate them. Enough woman not even expect nothing good from a man. So when a man do something good, appreciate them. Man not say not appreciate me, but just say it. Because all the time
no, you must attack in general because
no, in general, me know, but just say, but just bring it up because as someone we need to know. Kind of the vlog. We did this time my vlog and I said, boy, people me leave it from mine and rain. And me I say, you know the funny thing, I was gonna vlog because they say, alright, me tell you what happened. Because they might remember the vlog. Well, I don't call me dog. You see, when you're in the car, don't you dare say, you know the first part of the vlog say, people we go up on the road and we never eat it or nothing.
No, basically what I said though.
No, well, no, but baby, before you even go to the party, if you dare say, and the vlog say, people we wake up and we go up on the road and we go eat just and you dare lie, yarn. Because because of all mistake, I don't believe in a relationship where me have to spell out everything. As a man, me feel like me for just every little surprise is still a surprise.
Yeah.
And that me believe in a relationship. Me don't love when me have to spell out everything or the woman have to spell out everything tell me. You see me? You see a yarn or something, anybody wants to say, baby, I go buy food. Me I say no, me sure say. Because some day I have to go to the extent, me sure say me I think about her because she probably feel like say me let her off and I'm gone about my business. But I vlog it and then me put on my camera and say, why me a vlog? Me I go get food from a girl when if you're my girl, you're my wife. Why me should I even have vlog it? But you know, I was gonna give it because you know you can get clips to your vlog. That was the only reason. But me I say, me should you have to vlog this because me just feel like I do it like me I try show people say me a good man. Me no need to do that.
Yeah.
I go get the food. Me never vlog it, you know. Get the food and come back and give you. Then here you know when me pick up in the evening. Why?
When I remember something to eat.
From morning. Me say, my girl, cheese patty your favorite. I'm gonna buy one, you know. I move stingy, me buy two.
I gave one to the hairdresser.
Even if me didn't know so she gonna get patty, me buy three.
So me gonna eat two patty?
Babe, you're hungry. Me not try. When me go buy one patty and then you're hungry again. Better me buy two.
Thank you, babe. Come here. Come here.
Yo, let it off of me. You know the funny thing, you know some people used to actually annoyed when you call me babe and when we call each other babe because like when we just start talk, everybody used to say, oh, it's a babe. But it's when they see that we actually do know, like me stop see that comment there. You never used to see it.
I can't even remember.
And remember you said on my channel more. Every video you them. Every time you step on babe, people ask me and say, every time you step on babe, you can't call her me. I say, I call her babe because she's my babe. But no, because people used to it now.
See me like people that business.
They take fast over there, so
But in my driver with the woman good.
They can't happy. Police, superhero.
Come on.
Yeah.
Guys, I know you wonder. You, me see you ask the question. Somebody I wonder what would they say for the longest while.
No man, we just stay a look on the seaside. You see me? I will look a spot. You see me?
Blink if somebody I tell lie.
Yo!
Are you Yo, babe, mega put back a clip in there when you break it.
I'm not romantic. You give a girl a rose. Poop.
Babe, the rose.
What you smell it for?
Smell it.
I don't love it.
You know you're extra? You're extra bad.
Yo, you love feel up man figures. I don't love what you do. That's how I'm going.
Him love comfort is when him friend them there on.
Yo, stop.
I'm gonna tell you a story.
You bother with that, you know?
For Jason friend them when I watch this, what him friend them there on.
Yo, listen up. Why you that tell my friend?
Yo, dog. Wow, go on. Da. Me got to him here, Jason now. Baby, easy now, man. You see when them gone? All I need to do, bathe him, wrap him up in a blanket and give him nipple back up. And that's it. That's all he want. And me just pop out my titty and say, come here, titty, ready? Ready for titty? You ready for sleep?
Style thing.
I wish people would understand you. Enough time I see comments like, Jason looks sulky, Jason this, Jason that, and I wouldn't even understand. Me appreciate him, me love where him stay.
Next thing, me don't want nobody understand me, you know? I tell you the truth.
I'm fun to be around.
No, me not fun people. I'm miserable.
Fun.
Don't make them see that side. That side is only for you.
But yeah guys, we're just there. I go and wait a little bit. Soon drive off. Me want Auntie Kadina come.
Smart.
I want to get 1 and 2 stuff done. But guys, I love you guys so much. Really appreciate the support, man. And I wouldn't even know.
All the flowers, babe, come feel like that.
Thanks. You know, see how we? Thanks. You never remember see how we? So guys, we just reached back down and we're waiting on Jason's mommy. You sure that she knows you're out here, babe?
Yeah, me call her so I know get her.
What that mean, sir? You sure? Oh, guys, you know me did it last night. I was so uncomfortable. I said me go tell you no, and me go tell Jason one time, babe. Me just feel like me want pull out my ear. Me feel like me go pull out my ear. Guys, wanna think? I mean, it's not a big deal because me don't think Jason gonna even have a problem with me doing that. Me go just pull it out and then me go wear my natural hair. Like this time me go rub it up and make it look curly and stuff like that. What?
I'm tired of you.
Why?
You just go do your ears today and you gotta talk about pull out today.
So what's more and pull out it?
You know, say, boy, you put it why you're not indecisive.
Usually I'm indecisive. But me sure.
You're not sure nothing, man.
Me sure so me go pull it out. You know, even like the hairstyle, so why big deal? Baby, I don't like it. You don't have to pretend no longer.
I'm saying I don't like it.
Guys, you don't think Jason like it?
When did I say so?
Baby, I like my hairstyle.
No, you need to answer me when me say I don't like it.
You don't see it, but me see it.
What you see?
Me hearing your tone of voice.
So I don't like your ear?
Style.
Oh, you hear that? That's for the tone of voice.
Babe, see you like my ear?
I ask you something, now you don't come play smart with me. You want to answer? Tell me you want to answer.
I want an answer.
Okay, I like your hair.
But me ask you if I can help me pull out this evening me go up. I didn't know so this did gonna happen, but guys, I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut it out so can you fix your face, please?
My girl just Billy, man. You're gonna put in your ear yesterday if you come go somewhere. Yeah, man, go get a girl do that, yeah, man. You need some friends. Big romantic.
Girl, Rosa, do you mean something
You're lucky, you know that she with it, man.
Guys, I'm gonna pull out the ear because I really just not feel it. But I know say babe gonna help me pull out it. Right?
You def some knife to pull out nothing from?
Why?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy. Anyways, babe, a joke I did make when I said I gonna pull out my ear. A joke. Guys, this is like 1 hour after me I tell him say a joke. I'm mad. I love my ear. My ear nice.
Bro. Yeah, bro.
I don't know how they no music.
What have I done?
What you make them do to my boyfriend? Eh? I appreciate that.
What?
What you make them do to blacks?
Why?
So I have something for telling you what just happened to me a while ago. So we got a supermarket a while ago. You hear me? But music, then I can't see music. So I got a supermarket a while ago with Jason's mommy. So I come back to tell Jason I want some money to do something. Me with my hot self pull the wrong car door music. It was a Lexus.
So somebody did it in a car?
Yes. And the person that said no, the person just allow me to close back the door. Me shame me now because one lady stand up right at the door. I talk, so hear me now. Watch what the lady gonna give me attitude now that she there. So me car door now. So see me now, excuse me. Pull it when me say, why me I say black seat? Jason I have black seat.
Oh. Alexis, man, she want. Yeah, bro? Alexis.
Sometimes.
Mine, you know.
You buff your breast, you know.
Guys, that was
time
so embarrassing. I can't believe me pull the wrong car door. Embarrassing bad, but there we're gonna get something for Jason gonna support him friend. So we're gonna go see what them have. They wanna reach around to put it in the water.
Yeah, see vlog. You better buy a bottle of water and stop that rose.
Alright, give me your bottle of water.
Let me drink some first. A little bit.
I really don't want it dead. Guys, somebody comment and tell me all
if flowers are dead, you love dead. Don't
Nah, dead man, come make you something.
Alright.
Guys, somebody comment and tell me how long will it take me can have the rose
My
before.
bridge is a big
Give me
day
some
here.
of water.
No. No?
Me that try calling and get to him now, because more than mine, I'm going to get that.
The girl them sugar
The girl
bun.
them
And
what?
make sure you subscribe to your channel, you know, Artist in Real Life, for those who watch the series.
You see me? Alright.
So drop something for me now?
It's a job something?
Yeah, you never drop nothing for me.
Someone can drop the air now.
Drop my favorite.
Can I say? You hurt me, so me take a pain pill and move on. Boom! Saying to myself, everything soon come. Pain pill make the pain gone. Now fall me a stay strong. Pain pill, pain pill. Set a mal Advil. Pain pill make the pain gone. Now fall me a stay strong.
Yo, hold on. Give your second verse, come on, hear that part from me to see.
Alright.
From
You say ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Listen, girl, man, never that fi love you. Cause of the experiences with the girl before you, but me never yet use my past relationship.
Me judge you.
You say me mean to you, my friend, them say me spoil you. You say me wicked and me never
Yet abuse you.
Me show you true love, my girl, me never use you. Me that fi cut a love, me never want lose you. Good man, you know
You still a
you
joke,
heard
babe,
me,
a
so
joke.
me take a pain pill and move on.
Alright, smooth, let's see the mom before we can go in tonight.
That's so nice
The
though.
pain pill.
The
I
song
want
then,
them
look out
bad.
people, the song then,
What is
need to hear the song then on the big street.
say
My girl
guys?
broke my heart what, 2 years ago. 2 years to 3 years ago, I'm writing the song there. See me, I say?
I was not
Yeah,
for that, but last year,
Last year.
a joke.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.